Hi guys, what is up? Welcome or welcome back. My hair looks like crap. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's me, Bailey, and I don't know how to style my hair. Today I am bringing you lots of different vibes, okay? I'm bringing you innocent carnival cotton candy vibes. I'm bringing you rocker chick. I'm bringing you 2010 Lady Gaga. It's all here, and I'm here. So if you guys can't tell by the title, I finally picked up the Morphe x James Charles palette. Couldn't be happier. I know it's been out for like 2 months and I'm just now getting it. But you know, it's sold out. It was hard to get. I finally got it and immediately I was like, I am making a video about this palette. I'm going to recreate one of his looks. I'm going to do something. I'm just going to do something with it. The more I thought about it, the more I did not want to recreate one of his looks. For a video, I've already recreated one of his eyeshadow looks. It's the one where he uses his palette to do his whole face. I'll put my picture right here. I honestly think it turned out pretty good. But I wanted to do something different for a video, something more unique, something more original, something that has never been done something that's never been done before. My idea, actually not my idea, I can't take credits for this. One of my friends, Ava, shout out to you, girl. I don't know what kind of video I'd be making without you. My friend Ava, her Instagram will be linked in the description. Basically, Ava's idea was to write down every single shade in the James Charles palette on a piece of paper and then cut them up into their own individual pieces and then pick 5 or 6 shades out of a little pot here, blindfolded, without looking, you know, 6 completely random shades, and then you have to create a look using those 6 and only those 6 eyeshadows. This is the final look and what I created, picking 6 random shades out of here. I don't love it. It's not my favorite, but it definitely could be worse. I could have red and green and yellow and blue and purple and green and yellow and purple. Whoa. Anyways, that was kind of a long intro, but I wanted to explain basically what this challenge is. You have to write down all of the shade names, put them in a little thing, and pick them out random, and you have to use those shades. Follow my Instagram as well, at bailey.dedrick. Like this video, and I don't know what else, you know, just keep on watching. Alright, you guys, so I went ahead and put my hair up because if you know me and you've seen my other, like, makeup, get ready with me type of videos, you would know that I cannot do anything without my hair being up and out of my face. So I'm going to do my face makeup really quick. I'm going to kind of show you what I'm doing, but, like, not really that in-depth because that's not the point of this video. My face is freshly washed, and now I'm going to go in with my Marbedescu little cucumber spray. Now we're going to go ahead and moisturize with my Drunk Elephant Proteiny Polypeptide Moisturizer. I bought this because Summer McKean showed it in one of her and Maddie's Get Ready With Me videos while they were on vacation with Dote. I have really dry skin and this is really moisturizing, so I love it. I'm going to use a mix of 2 of my favorite primers at the moment. I'm going to be mixing this Maybelline Master Prime. This is the hydrating and smoothing one with the Smashbox Photo Finish. I'm going to spray my face again with the Marbedescu spray. I do this a lot. Fenty foundation in the shade 160. This might be a little light for me. I guess I am just James Charles because I don't know how to match foundation to my face. I have some foundation on the back of my hand. I'm going to go in with this Real Technique sponge. Basically, I don't know, blend it in. At first, I didn't like this foundation, but the more that I used it, I really like it now. Okay, I just ended up going in with this little flat top brush to make sure it was all blended in. I don't think the color match is that bad, so I'm going to go ahead and do my eyebrows. Okay, so now my eyebrows are done. Partially, I still have to carve them out, but that's going to go with concealer. So I'm going to grab a concealer and I'm going to conceal my face. Tarte Shape Tape is the way to go. And I'll do around my eyebrows and my eyelids in a second. So I can carve out my brows. I'm using my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder, and I'm going to be taking this Broken Beauty blender, literally ripped in half. I'm going to be taking that, and I'm going to bake. Okay, you guys, so the bake has been sitting on my face for a few seconds now. I'm going to go in with this big fluffy brush and throw it. Just kidding, I'm gonna dust it off. I'm gonna finish the rest of my face makeup off camera and I will be right back. Alright you guys, so the face makeup is on, highlight is popping, cheeks are chiseled, which means we get to open up our beautiful palette and, you know, just start applying the shades that we want. But no. As you guys know, this is a challenge video and I have all of the shade names in here. I'm a little bit scared for this, but basically wrote down all of the shade names that are in this palette, put them in here, cut them all up, and it's time to pick. I'm about to pick the first color that I need to use on my eyes today, and I'm a little bit scared, you know, not gonna lie. Pick the first color that I have to use. The first color that I have to use today is Flashback. If you guys aren't familiar and don't have the shade names memorized, Flashback is this white shade. Flashback is this big white shade that's really, really pretty. I mean, that's a good base. Like, I can work with white. Like, white's not very hard to work with. The color, love that. Love that is this magenta purpley shade right there. So freaking pigmented. Hello. Love that. This is so gorgeous. Right now we have white and we have magenta. Let's see what else we can get. The third shade that I picked is Playground. Playground is, oh my goodness. Oh, sorry. Playground is this super bright blue right there. Okay. We kind of have a cotton candy moment going on. Fourth shade picked is Artistry. So I am actually really happy to use this shade. Is this color right here. It's like a purple metallic, but it has like a blue reflect going on. The fifth shade is, oh my god. Honestly, it's not that bad. The color that I picked is Skip. You can't even read that. But that is this super bright pink. Are you guys ready for the sixth and final shade? Get these mixed up in there really good. Shit. I have to pick all those up. Okay, so I just picked up all these shades. They're all back in there. Really move my hand around in there. The sixth shade that I picked is, drum roll please, Sister. Right here, it's like a shimmery, I don't know. You know, we can put that in our inner corner. We can put that on our lid. We can do anything with that. If you guys remember, the first shade that I picked was Flashback, which is a white shade. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put that white all over my lid and up to my brow bone, you know, just all over. I just finished putting the white Flashback on my entire eyelid. You can't really see it much because it's white. But the next shade that I'm going to use, I think it's going to be Love That. I think I'm going to go into my crease with Love That. Oh god, this is so pretty. Alright you guys, so I went ahead and I just popped that shade kind of just in my crease, above my crease, into my outer corner. The next color I'm going to use is going to be, I'm going to go in with Playground. Actually, no, I'm going to go in with Skip just to brighten the pink up a little bit towards like the inner part of my crease. There was that huge scandal going around on whether Skip was staining eyelids or not. I've already used it, didn't stain my eyes, so I don't really think it's that big of a deal. I don't know, tea. Okay guys, so the pink is on and I look like a crackhead from like, I don't know, 4th grade. The next shade I'm going to go in with is kind of our last matte, I believe. Playground, which is the blue. I'm not going to hold it up because I have all of my little slips of paper right there telling me what colors I need to use. We're going to dip into that blue, which is the blue we picked, Playground. And I think I'm going to apply this to my outer corner because we need something else there other than bright pink. So that just built to purple. Do you see what that blue did? This is before the blue. This is after the blue. Kind of love. Blue is on. I'm going to go in with a flat brush and I'm going to try to apply just that Playground bright blue shade on my crease, or my lid. Spray it with my Marbodescu spray. And then I'm going to see if I can achieve the look that I have in my head. Oh, see? See? Let's zoom in. Oh, wrong way. Can you see what I'm going for? I maybe should have cut my crease before doing this. Wasn't really thinking. Okay, it's not that bad. I'm gonna do the other eye, and then we'll see if it comes together a little more. I think I'm gonna apply Artistry on like the middle of my eyelid, and then do Sister on the inside, like towards the inner corners, you know what I meant. And we're gonna go in with Artistry. So pretty. So we have one more shade to use, and that is Sister. We're gonna grab that on the same flat brush that still has purple on it. Whatever. Oh, that's really pretty. I mean, it's exactly what I was expecting. Just like a natural goldy shimmer. I'm gonna go ahead and put that same shadow above my eyebrow, or not above my eyebrow, underneath the brow. Oh my god, okay, sorry. I'm gonna put that same shadow underneath my brow, on the brow bone. Also gonna dab that in my inner corner. I'm gonna take Skip, which is the bright pink. I'm not even gonna bother showing you, you guys know which one it is. I'm gonna take that underneath my lower lash line. Skip right there. We have arrived at the end of the eyeshadow portion. My hair is falling apart. I'm gonna put some mascara on, pop on some false lashes, and I will be back to do the finished review of everything. The finished reveal. Why am I saying reveal so weird? Please don't mind my falsies. This one is really high, and I just didn't want to re-put it on. So it looks a little trashy. The other one's fine, I guess, but they're like lifting. This is the look. Okay. It's like a very, I don't know, it looks like cotton candy, but like if you took the blue and the pink cotton candy and then mixed them together and made purple cotton candy. I like it, okay? Wait a minute, Mr. Pope. Might have been boring. I don't really know if you guys like my makeup videos, but I mean, I got the palette. I had to do something with it. A lot of you guys were asking for a video. I hope you liked it. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Goes to. Hey guys, and welcome back to Shane's channel. Today we'll be talking about conspiracies. I have a freaking ghost in my room. All right, bye. Bye.